Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be working on Zendaya. Today we're gonna be installing these GBRacing covers, these race covers on the engine, so crankcase cover and all that other shit. These are more so for protection, but then again, I'm gonna be honest, I got these off of AliExpress, so they're probably not gonna do much to protect the bike, but I did buy them because I like the way they look. Because if you guys see the bike, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get used to this gimbal, but if you guys see the bike, I have this crash cage. So literally, like, even if I did have the real GBRacing covers, they wouldn't be doing much, if anything at all, during an accident. These are more so meant to protect bikes that only have like sliders. So I just bought these because, again, like I said, I'm not gonna pay all the money that GB wanted for a full set when all I want is the cosmetic look, you know? It's not really gonna give me any of the function. So yeah, so let's just start installing. Hopefully my phone doesn't fucking overheat this time again. So I'm gonna pull out all the pieces. I did order it with the gold bolts, so I'm gonna see how they look, because right now they look kind of cheesy. They look like kind of like bronze or brown, but it did come with the standard bolts too, so we'll see how that looks. We got this side, we got this, this, these. It did come with a set of instructions, so we're gonna see how all of this shit work out. But basically, you just replace the screws that are OEM with whatever screws come with whatever piece, so it should be pretty straightforward. Yo, one thing I will say about making videos on the block, at least on my block, is it fucking sucks, because like you get people fucking talking to you all the time and all this other shit, people watch you, it's fucking weird. But yeah, so I'm gonna just fucking undo these 3 bolts for this piece of fairing, so that way I can twist it and manipulate it so I can get to the other bolts without having to like crush the padding and all that other shit. So this is the piece right here. It just feels like cheap plastic. I don't know how different it feels to the real GBRacing cover, because the way this looks, it probably just protects from like cosmetic blemishes and scratches on the case covers. So just go ahead and undo these. So this is a 4. Most of the Allen keys on this shit are a 4. You want to be careful to make sure that you keep the plastic washers on there. So this is how the bike can't speak English. So this is how the bike sits now, with the AliExpress GBRacing covers on, with the gold bolts for the accents. As you can see, the red oil filler cap. Fucking, and we got this one on the side. But yeah, it just adds a little bit of a different look to it. Adds more black. I like the gold, so once I do the gold Brembo calipers, I mean not calipers, but rotors, it'll definitely tie in a little bit more than what it does now. As well as the steering dampener that I have, it has a bit of gold on it too, so that should be nice. But yeah, this is how she's sitting.